In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to perform the first setup on the following device. So first of all, you have to turn off your device or unlock it. Mine is already on, and at first select the language. So just click here and pick the one that you would like to apply. I will stay with English, and then click on Start. Here you need to pick your location, and as you can see, you can find all the places all around the world, so you will definitely find something suitable, and we can pick Philippines. Then read the user agreement, and if you do agree with all the terms and conditions presented here, click on I agree to the agreement and select Next. Here you've got the privacy statement, so it's the same story. You have to read it and agree with all above terms. Tap on Next then. Now it's warranty info and improvement plan. So you can skip it without accepting it, but I will join it as it may be useful for the producent. So let's give them a helping hand. And now you need to connect your device to Wi-Fi. You can also skip this step, but I would like to do it. So just pick the Wi-Fi that you can use and then wait until it's connected. So, wakey, it's connected, and now we should... Okay, and now as you can see, you can bring your data from previous phone, from the cloud, or you can set it up as a new phone, and I will do it, so just click on Don't Copy. And now you can log in with your Google account. You can also skip this step. I will skip it for now, but you can smoothly log in and then activate all Google services. I will show you how to do it without adding Google account, because you can do it later. So just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate Google account in this Vivo. And now you can also set some protection method. Let me add screen lock, so it can be 2580, then tap on Next, and then re-enter it just to confirm. And it has been added. You can also activate automatic system updates. Just click on Next then, and here you can review additional apps. So just go through all of them and decide which one you would like to install. And for example, I will unmark Google One. I don't want to use this app. And the rest is actually pretty useful, so let's stay with all of them. Tap on OK then. And that's it. As you can see, your phone has been set up, so you can smoothly use it now. Now you can add contacts, change wallpaper, and smoothly customize your phone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.